Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we have a Mercedes SLS AMG made by Maisto. It is 1/32 scale model. I bought this model from Amazon.in around 450 rupees. In this model you get openable doors. The model is run by pullback action and the detailing of a model is very good. The outer part of a model is of a metal and some interior part contain the plastic parts. According to the price, the quality of a model is good. I will provide link in description of the video if you want to buy or another that type of model. If you are not already subscribed to our channel for more video like this, you may also follow me on Instagram for daily updates. Let's get start the video.